of this module that is all about the levels of communication. Have you ever noticed why some people have great ability to connect with the audience while others even struggle to get an eye contact? Here is the secret. Every speaker that you see on stage, or even if you see your friends or colleagues or maybe another speaker, they are on certain level of communication. So everyone has a different level of communication, and based on their levels, their ability to connect with audience and to tell stories make a real difference. So today I'm going to help you understand the different level of communication by using this phone as a medium. So let's start with level 1 of communication, that is basic communication. This is a smartphone that you can use to call or text people, and you can also use this to browse internet. Now at this level, what you have noticed is I have clearly communicated what are the skills or what are the qualities that my smartphone really have and what this device is capable of. So at this level of communication, the key skill is clarity. So when I have communicated what this smartphone can do, it can really call people, it can really text people, and I can also browse internet on this device. So this level of communication helps you understand the clarity in the message. This only delivers the information that is required. Now let's move on to the second level of communication, that is intermediate level, and it is all about creating engagement for your message. So it can go like this. This is a smartphone that I always wanted to have. I really like the white color of this smartphone, and it is very sleek and very compact. I can use it to call, text, or connect with people. I can even browse internet and really connect with the world. In this level of communication, I'm not just talking to you, but I'm also showing you the device. I am looking at my device and then looking back at you, and then making this as a center of attraction and using my body language and voice modulation to create that engagement factor in storytelling. Now let's talk about the third level of communication, that is advanced communication. This is a time where your storytelling and the structure takes the important role along with the clarity and engagement to make you an advanced communicator. This can go something like this. This is a smartphone that I have bought with my first salary. I'm so proud of myself that I have worked so hard to really achieve my dream. One of my dream was to really buy an Apple product. I could not afford it earlier, but I really worked hard to buy this piece of device that I hold in my hand. It is really sleek and it is really attractive, and I'm so proud of it because whenever I see this device, it make me realize that I can really achieve my dreams and I have power to do what I want to do. So here how it's work. When you start your journey from the level 1 of communication and then you go until the level 3, you add one extra skill to each level. Now जो first level में हमने discuss किया था, the all point was clarity. So clarity was the main important factor in level 1 of communication. जो second level हमने discuss किया था वो था engagement का, like how good we are using our body language expressions and how we are moving things around to make more engagement for audience. So when you start learning new language, especially English, what happens is you have to pay attention to the levels of communication you will go through. The initial of your journey, you will be understanding the English language and understanding some basic rules of grammar. This will really help you understand the structure of the language and how you can create more good sentences. But when you will start your communication journey, the first level is going to be the basic level where your aim is to get clarity. If you are on this level, your more practice should go on managing clarity, how well you can define the information in your message that goes straight away to your audience without any confusion. Once you achieve this level, you go on to the second level of communication where you have the information, you have the clarity. Now you have to use your body language and voice modulation just to make sure that your engagement and you grab attention of audience when you are delivering a speech, and even when you are conducting a meeting, or if even you are just doing a normal conversations. The third level of communication is advanced level, because in this level your storytelling plus structure plus clarity and engagement, they all come together into a single package. So if you want to be an impactful communicator, you have to make sure that your clarity, your engagement, and your structure along with your story has a strong connection to create that impact when you're communicating with anyone. So in this video, I'm going to leave you with one action items or one thing that I want you to do. Take a pen and paper and identify on which level you are currently standing. And from there, use strategies that we have delivered in this entire course to reach to the next level of your communication.